Welcome back, and in today's video we'll be going through the unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So let me just open this box and slide it open. Then let me put that on the side. Then you have this top layer or top box, and inside this first box you have the charging cable and a manual, and let's see if there's anything else. No, there's nothing else inside. So those are the contents of the first box. Then you have the phone itself. So let me just put it out like that, and at the bottom you should see your SIM ejector tool. So there it is. Then now you finally have the phone. So let me just remove this top casing. And then just slide it out. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A25. Now this color is the blue black, but obviously if you prefer a different color you would have bought it, and this version specifically is the 6GB to 128GB version. So there you have it. You have the phone, the charging cable, and the SIM ejector tool. Thank you for watching, and stick around for more videos on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G.